As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be unboxing my first Ipsy bag. First of all, you guys, I was so excited when I got this bag. You have no idea. When they delivered it, I was just like, oh my goodness, yes, finally it came, because I was anticipating on filming this video for you guys. So without further ado, I just really want to hop into this. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so first of all, it came in this cute packaging. Number one, who doesn't like pink, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and cover up my address. You know, can't be giving out my government and all that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to cover up my address, but it came in this cute packaging right here. So adorable. And yes, I did open it and I did peek inside. I'm sorry, you guys. I couldn't wait. Okay, can you forgive me? But it comes in this cute packaging right here. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I opened it up, and this is the January bag. And the first thing I saw when I opened up the bag was that it came with this little card. It pretty much just tells you like what's inside, like the sample sizes that's inside of the bag. I'm sorry if my camera is not focusing for you guys. I'm gonna try to do close-ups, but if it doesn't work, I apologize. But yeah, it just pretty much goes over like what the sample sizes are that's actually inside of the bag. So that's first of all. Second of all, you guys, they actually came with the little baggie inside, and it is super cute. It's like striped, and it's like so classy because Ipsy just kind of has like their little logo down here, or the name of the company, and it just says like Ipsy in gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to focus it for you guys, but it just has Ipsy in gold, and this is just like how the bag looks, kind of close up and personal. So we're actually gonna hop right into this. So I'm gonna open this up and let's see what little goodies we have inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, all right, I'm gonna just grab stuff and I'm just gonna go with it. All right, okay, so the first thing that I did grab out is Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So this sounds really like useful, especially for me. I'm like always searching for like new products to use when it comes to like cleansers, when it comes to like moisturizers and stuff like that for my face. Like I'm always on the search for stuff. So this looks really, really nice. It doesn't really have a scent, that's the thing, and the consistency that I'm like showing you guys is pretty thin. It's really, really creamy too. I don't want to put too much on because I don't want to get messy here, but it has no scent, so that's pretty good. I know a lot of people can't wear like scents like on their face and stuff like that, so that's pretty good. And then the consistency is really creamy, so I think that's really awesome. All right, moving on, you guys, moving on. So I'm actually going to dig my hands into this next one. This was actually like one of the first things that I saw. The Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation sample. I think this sample is really, really cute. I did try it on. It does have a really good consistency to it, so that's amazing. And I always look for like creamy textures, and when it says full coverage, I definitely want full coverage, right? So I'm just gonna kind of like rub this on my hand. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm gonna attempt to kind of pull this color in my hand so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys are catching any of this, but the color does match, so I was really, really grateful for that. I was like, Ipsy, you are doing the daggone thing. All right, next product. Next product is by Naked Cosmetics. I've never actually tried out any of their cosmetics, so I was super amped when I did see this in the Ipsy bag. It's pretty much a heavy metal eyeshadow. It is sealed. I have not opened it, but it is like a metallic eyeshadow, and I'm like really excited to actually use this in a look. I'm actually wearing like a pink glitter on my eyelids today. It's like a Valentine's Day look I was playing with, so I'm thinking about maybe filming a video on this look. So I'm really into like the shimmers and the glitter. So Naked Cosmetics, I'm super excited to try this. Moving on to the next product. Alrighty, so what do I have here? I have the Ico London, and it looks like it's a waterproof lash enhancing. Looks maybe like an eyeliner, you guys. Let's see. looks like an eyeliner, and it sure is. It's an eyeliner. Looks like a little pencil, and it's in the color Carbon Black. And once again, it is by Ico Cosmetics, and I think that's really nice to get another little eyeliner. If you guys did watch my Target beauty unboxing, you guys saw that Maybelline sent me like a eyeliner, so I think that's cool just to have another little sample size eyeliner. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm gonna show you the last thing that came in the Ipsy bag. It's a lip gloss, and it looks like it says, apologize if I butcher this, but it says Belle in Argent in the color Bored Now, and it is like a lip gloss. So once again, I'm gonna try to open this. So this is the packaging, and I'm gonna try to open this up, girl. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. So this is the lip gloss, you guys. Like, this looks really, really cool. It looks like the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I think that is really nice. It looks like it's gonna be like maybe a transparent gloss with like a little bit of shimmer. So I think that's really awesome. So I think this lip gloss is gonna look really, really awesome when I put it on. I wanna like, I don't know if I'm weird, but I like to smell my lip glosses just to see like how they smell and stuff. And oh, that smells really nice. It almost smells like peach. That was the January bag, and I do have another video coming out for you guys. It's the Birchbox, and that's my first Birchbox ever, and I'm super excited to go ahead and unbox it for you guys as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go to Ipsy.com and get your beauty bag if you'd like to go ahead and get your Birchbox. Just go on their website, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. And by the next time you see me, like I said, I'll be doing the Birchbox review for you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe if you'd like to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.